Want to create resume which looks professional, easy to make and job ready, so you can always get shortlisted among those thousands of resume coming to the recruiters. So here's the website called The Next Level, which use AI features to make your resume, and trust me guys, it's very simple and easy to use. So here is the website The Next Level, and from here you can log in or create your account and create your AI resume. You can find various of options here and you just have to fill one by one. The AI feature helps you to make your resume looks more professional. By clicking the AI option, time you can preview your changes and looks what's the improvement in your resume. For more videos like this, subscribe to Eternal Guru and stay updated.